Good afternoon. Let me explain. Here actually I want to explain how the real and reactive injection is done in this program. I have added here this section that the maximum power, here is the minimum power, and here is the maximum power. Here is maximum real power for battery energy storage system. If you want to include reactive power injection, then you have to include here. So I just put 1000 here because this program is set for 5 battery energy storage systems. So in case of battery energy storage system, the uh, logic is exactly same. Here is the maximum real power, and here is the maximum reactive power for PV. So in case of 3 DGs, if you want to choose 3 PVs and 3 battery energy storage system, and then you have to just adjust this number. Then you can adjust this thing to I think if we have 3 PVs, then the size will be around 1500, for example. So 1500 multiplied by 3, it will be 4500 kilowatts, and in this case it will be 1500 multiplied by 3. So 4500 kilowatts will be the size of 3 battery energy storage system, and 4500 kilowatts will be the size of PVs, 3 PVs. So if you want to choose 5, then you have to put 1000 here and 1000 here. So if you want to, here is the real injection for PVs, and here is the reactive injection, that is I put 0. So let me run this program by putting 5. So if you want to choose 5 PVs and 5 battery energy storage systems, then just put 10 here. Okay, 5 you want to put storage systems, 5 PVs, and let me lower the number of iterations so the program takes less time. And okay, I have just choose 10 iterations just to show you the results, and results will be inaccurate, will not be accurate. It will be accurate for at least 100 iterations. So it's just for the sake of time. Similarly, if you want to do reactive injection for battery energy storage system, then you have to break down 0, you have to mention a reactive. And if you want to introduce reactive, just put value here, and want to neglect real, and just put 0 here. Sorry, I think so it's done with. I just break down the program. 10, 1. Now 10 iterations are saved. So in this case, it will be 5000 battery energy storage system kilowatts, and 5000 kilowatts for PVs, and the location will be exactly the same. Here you can see that there are 5 locations here, 5 locations here, and there is no reactive injection, and no reactive injection here again. Okay, so if you want to now if you sum up all these numbers, kilowatts, this will be around less than 10 megawatts. So the choice is from 0, that we have choose from our minimum value, and minimum value is 0, and maximum is 10 megawatts. So this is the choice. So now I want to test the system with 3 PVs and 3 battery energy storage system. So I will just adjust this number to 33 kilowatt. Now I want to put 3 PVs, so I have to make battery energy storage systems of 5000. So 5000 divided by 3. So it will be let me do this to 1650. So if you want to increase the battery energy storage system, then you can also increase, and if you want to lower the PV, you can also lower down the number. So 1650 multiplied by 3 uh, and then multiply the answer by 2, and it will be around 9900 kilowatts, 9.9 megawatt. So let me run the program, and let me choose 6 number here, and then put battery energy storage systems, PVs, and then run the program. And if you want to select only 10 megawatts of PV, then you have to adjust this number. Then you have to here you can see that the total power is here you can this is the chosen by the PSO algorithm. Locations are same, and real and reactive injection. And now if you want to choose only PVs, 5 PVs, then you have to just put here only. If I want to put 5 PVs and no battery energy storage system, then you have to just divide the 10,000 by 5, and that is around 2000, and just put 2000 here. Okay, save the program, run the program, and now put 5 and put 0 battery energy storage system, and then put 5 PVs, and then run the program. In this way this program will works and execute the results. So hopefully you understand this logic, and thanks for watching. Yeah, there is an error of while printing the location. So I will just fix this one because this program is if you want to put PVs, so let me run again the program. If I want to choose 4 PV and then 0 battery energy storage system and then 4 PVs and then run the program, then this program will work correctly. So there is an error of just printing it, so no need to worry. I will just fix it out, and just take a look at the video and then update me. And your other query is about the PSO algorithm and the load flow. So I have already recorded videos. I will share with you. From that videos you can get a very clear idea about particle sum optimization implementation and the load flow analysis. So hopefully this will help you a lot, and thanks for